Okay, so now we're going to show you how to train Galabat. So his name is Reno. So we're not sure if it's a boy or a girl yet. So we'll know it in a couple of years. So we're gonna train the Galabat. So we've already trained him. Now we're gonna show you. So 2 words he know from English. Yeah. So the first word is touch and the second word is kiss. So Ria's gonna use it. She's gonna use kiss and I'm gonna use touch. So I'm gonna take 3 treats for him. When he touches my finger, I give him a treat after. Okay, Bruno, come on here, darling. Touch my finger. Good boy. Ria, don't you mind switching places because he's there? Okay. Okay, fine, if you don't want to, it's okay. That's my finger, darling. Good boy. I'm really proud of you. You have another in here. Touch my finger, darling. Good boy. Oh, he's so adorable. Ria, here you go. 3 treats for Rena. Okay. Now it's Ria's turn. Let's see what's good. Good boy. I find it very funny. I don't know. If he's so far away, he will come and kiss me if I say it like this. Kiss? Good boy. Good boy. Aren't he cute? Get on my hand. Oh, yay! I want him to come on my hand. Okay, I want him to come on your hands, okay? Okay, thank you, everyone, to watch our video. So, we'll see you later. Bye!